Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Friday. Happy July 4th weekend to everybody. It is going to be a busy weekend for us here at Aroma Thyme. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be nice or not. It seems that there could be rain, there might not be rain. There might be thunder and lightning, there might not be. So not quite sure what the weekend will bring, but I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. I hope you celebrate the 4th of July with your family and friends and get out there and watch the parade in Ellenville. I'm not really sure the details besides, I believe the parade begins at noon. They're lining up on Canal Street. It starts at noon, and then there are fireworks in Ellenville, usually back behind ShopRite. In the airport, they do fireworks, so hopefully you can get out and watch the fireworks and just enjoy being with your family. So happy July 4th to you. I was planning on doing a July 4th drink, but I'm going to do something a little different, and then maybe tomorrow, since I didn't do my Facebook Live yesterday, I will be able to do my do a July 4th drink for you. So saw something cool, I'd like to do that. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Ann, hello Joel, hello Susan, hello Craig, hello I think Matthew was on. So thanks everybody for watching me. I believe our champagne dinner is sold out on Monday. It is 4 New York champagnes, so method champenois and a dish. It's $50 a person. I believe it is sold out, but if you are interested in coming, give me a call and maybe we can fit you in. That will be outside in our garden area. We also have duck wings for $9.99 this week to go, and we're gonna be busy, so please call ahead, make reservations if you know that you would like to come in this weekend. Again, I don't know what the weather is going to be like, so I don't know if we'll be inside or outside. We'd like to be outside, of course. Hopefully it'll be nice enough to be outside. If not, we have to be inside, so please call ahead. I appreciate everybody watching me. Lots of people on today, so thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hope you're having a beautiful, wonderful day, and that is it. So today I'm going to be making a Mai Tai. I've made this in the past before. I just got this Orgeat. It's an almond liqueur made with almonds from Giffard, and I came up with this recipe for a Mai Tai using the almond. And I'm going to be using actually 2 products from Mad River. They're rum 44, and I'm going to try it with this maple cask rum. And so I'm going to use those 2 rums from Mad River, which is in Vermont. Love what they're doing there. Awesome products. Love their philosophy as well. And I'm going to be using orange curacao and the Orgeat, and then lime juice. So as of right now, all of this stuff can be bought here at Aroma Thyme. All of these products we have on our shelves. As of, I believe, July 5th, we can no longer sell liquor or wine to go. So if you want anything, please come in this weekend and pick up anything on our shelves. We have lots of stock of lots of things. I'd love to move some of it. So if you are around and want to come in and buy some liquor for the weekend or just to stock up your cabinets, that would be awesome. So in the meantime, I am going to make this Mai Tai. Somebody asked me if I could make, these like tiki drinks. So here is a tiki style drink that I'll be making. So I'm going to add about an ounce of white rum. I am going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of curacao. I am going to add about a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, about a 1/2 ounce of the Orgeat. I am going to shake that on up. And I'm going to grab my glass. Sorry, I grabbed the wrong glass. Shake that on up. And I'm going to pour that in my glass. Yum, yum. It looks good. It smells good. I hope this is good. I'm going to put it on the rocks because I like all my drinks on the rocks. a winner. And I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of maple cask rum. I hope it's good. It called for dark rum, but I'm making my little change. And just add a little bit on top. And there you have the Mai Tai. I like that. That's kind of cool, the way it separates like that. And cheers to everybody. You can top it off with a little bit of mint. So I will give it a little mint on top. And you can put a fresh lime on there. And there you have it. There you have a Mai Tai. Oh no, no wine to go. Well, you can come get wine this weekend. Sorry, Anne. That is the new rule of the governor. Well, of New York. I'm not sure. Maybe the governor will bypass it and put in a special order to allow us restaurants to continue doing that. So anyway, that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome July 4th, an awesome weekend. I will hope. Oh, I didn't taste my drink. Sorry. I forgot. Let me taste it. All right. Oh. That's delicious. That might go on our menu too. Oh, that's really good. Yum, yum. That's it for today, folks. I hope everybody has an awesome day. And I will be on tomorrow, hopefully doing Facebook Live with the July 4th drink. And that's it. We'll see everybody soon. And cheers.